The video analysis function supports local and real-time video analysis. In the menu, connection management deals with real-time video, and open the video is local video analysis. We will first demonstrate local video analysis. Click Open the video, select the local video and click Open to import it. Then we need to add an analysis object. Add a rectangular analysis object and click Export Data. The Export Data function includes 4 types of data: single frame graph, video, temperature matrix table, and temperature curve. For single frame graph, we can set the start and end frames. The sampling frequency refers to the number of samples collected per second. Below is the safe path. After completing the settings, click Confirm to export. We can see the exported images in the folder. For video, we can also set the start and end frames along with the sampling frequency. The data format includes IRGD and MP4. Using IRGD as an example, keep the save path unchanged and click Confirm. The new IRGD file will appear in the folder with the same file name matching the current video name. For temperature matrix table, we can choose the export object as either full image or analysis object. Selecting analysis object as an example, check the analysis object and click Confirm. The exported file will be available in the folder. For temperature curve export, we can also select the analysis object and temperature. CSV and JPG formats are supported. Using CSV as an example, click Confirm. The exported file will be available in the folder. The file includes frames, time, and the minimum temperature of the analysis object. Click Close the Video button to close the currently analyzed video.